This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can recenter the camera gimbal on this device. So to start, you will need to make sure that everything is switched on, interconnected. Then use the DJI Fly app on your remote controller or smartphone to open the Fly view. Here, locate 3 horizontal dots, tap on them to launch settings. While in settings, select the control category at the top, scroll this page down a little bit, and specifically look for the Re-center Gimbal option. Now tap on it. Let's get back to the camera. So the gimbal has been successfully recentered. So now hopefully the camera will actually be able to show it to you properly. So now the gimbal is going to look this way, more or less, instead of looking straight forward. Now should we get back and recenter gimbal once again, as you can see it will return to its normal horizontal plane instead of making like an angle, 90-degree angle, and looking exactly beneath itself. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.